Lebanese and Arabic Pita Bread Line. The Lebanese and Arabic Bread Line is specifically designed for the efficient and high-quality production of Lebanese breads and Arabic pita. It allows for a high degree of customization in terms of product size and production capacity, making it suitable for bakeries of all sizes. With advanced technology ensuring consistent output, this line is ideal for achieving the perfect balance between traditional bread qualities and modern production demands. Sami Kammaz equipment introduces the industrial Lebanese and Arabic Pita Bread Line, designed to elevate efficiency and adaptability in your bakery. This production line stands as a testament to our commitment to provide complete solutions for bakeries worldwide, with capabilities to produce from 3,000 to 13,500 pieces of pita per hour. This line is well suited for bakeries of all sizes. Our Lebanese and Arabic Pita Bread Line is engineered with precision, capable of producing a variety of diameters ranging from 14 centimeters to 38 centimeters, reflecting the diversity of these traditional breads. At Sami Kammaz For Ovens, we believe in maintaining the handmade quality and perfect shape of your bakery products, and this commitment is evident in our production line.